Hey guys, this is Amma. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about a Club Factory haul, and recently Club Factory has started their Unbeaten price category, and in that category you get a lot of items including ethnic wear, dresses, shorts, pants, electronics, home decor, and almost every category is there in that Unbeaten category. And there you get the lowest price possible in the online community. Like the item is for 400 on Flipkart, Amazon, and then you'll get an amount that is lesser than those in Club Factory. So that's all super good, right? Because they are charging you less. That's because they are commission free, and that's why they have the lowest price possible. So that's how it is, because in Flipkart and Amazon the sellers charge their own commission in the product price, so that's why the price goes up. But in the Club Factory it does not happen like that. Like the Diwali sale is on, so you should definitely check it out, and you can use my coupon code for a lot of discount on your order. That would be over the products that you already have. Like if they are already on sale, if you use my code, then you will get more discount. So that's how it is, and it's super good. So before we jump into the haul, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram page, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press that notification bell button, and you all know all the drill, right? So now without any further ado, let's get started. The first one that I'm going to show you is this one, and this is a teal blue kind of suit, and this one is something like this, and this one is kind of like in rayon fabric, but it's a very smooth or maybe like cotton and rayon blend, because that's how it feels like. And it has this gold print going on all over this kurta, and it has a basic round cut neckline with inverted triangle look over here, and then on the sleeves you get double layered bell sleeves like this, and it is quite heavy, guys. Like, sleeves and all are not flimsy. It does look, and it does stay firm, and it does look good as well. So yeah, that's how it is. The length is quite long, as you guys can see, and it has slit as well. It's not covered from the sides, it has slit, and this is how the bottom goes. Like, there's nothing quite special, but it does look quite good. And the pajama that comes with it is something like this. Now at the front you get a plain waistband, at the back you get this elastic waistband like a usual plazo you get, but instead of the open plazo at the end you get these patiala kind of look. So yeah, this is how the enclosed edge you get, and here you have this hook as well in the end, just to, you know, attach it and just to adjust it accordingly to your legs and I mean your ankles. And yeah, this is how the bottom looks like. It's quite cute and a little different concept than my usual plazo concept. So yeah, this is how it is. It's not completely opaque, it is a little bit sheer, but that's just it. It's not super opaque. The next one that I'm going to show you is a disappointment. Let me tell you guys why and how. The next one that I got is this yellow one, and this is how it looks like, right? And it does have this bright yellow color in it. The thread count seems to be very low, because of which you can clearly see through it, and it's super see-through. And the neckline is round. It has this embroidery silver kind of work going on at the front, like a very minimalistic embroidery. And then at the sleeve you have this normal sleeves, and you see there are these threads coming off as well. I don't know why, but yeah, it seems like a very poorly finished kurta. And yeah, this is how it is. At the front you get this much, then at the back there is nothing on it, and at the front you also get this kind of border starting from the armhole and going to the bottom, and it also has this slit. The length of it is a little bit of the knee length and not longer than that. For the plazo, I mean, you get a sharara for this, and sharara is like this. It has this elastic waistband over here, and then it goes like this, and this is also super sheer. The reason why is because of the lesser thread count, and because of which you can clearly see everything. So don't wear anything bright under it, and I would suggest you guys to not buy it at all, because it's just not worth it. Now at the bottom you get about 2 layers of sharara like this. So it looks something like this when you wear it. It's quite heavy. If it was made of like better fabric, it would have looked so better. Even nicer quality of cotton would have looked really good, but this is a very poor quality of cotton, and it does not look good at all. So yeah, this is how it is. And at the bottom of the sharara pant you do get this border, which was on the kurta as well. So yeah, this is how it is. I would suggest you not to go for it. If you still like it, you can definitely get it. It does give a good look, but the sheer problem is big for me. So yeah, the last kurta suit that I got is this one in navy blue, and this is something like this. It's in rayon, I guess, and it is a beautiful one. It's not bad at all for the price I paid, and it has this stand collar, and at the front you have a button on top, embroidery print, but it's more like the gota patti has been stitched on it, like to resemble the mirror work. So yeah, that's how it is. It's a simple straight kurta with 2 slits at the sides, and yeah, this is how it looks. It's also a little bit sheer, just a basic sheer, nothing to worry about. Then the plazo you get is a simple plain plazo in navy color again, and this is how it is. The same fabric, same everything. At the bottom you get this mirror wala work again, and yeah, that is it. And the flow is about this much, as you guys can see. The sheer nature is again the similar one, and it's not too much to worry about. Then I got some jewelry, and not some, just one. And the one that I got is something like this, and I'll show you guys the close-up of it, like how it looks. It has like 1 mang tika and then 2 earrings, and so the earring looks something like this, like it has this golden work going on, and then there is some rhinestones pasted on top of it, and then you have these motis, that too not dangling ones, just attached to it with some kind of thin wire, I guess, I don't know. And this is how the set looks like. Then you get this mang tika, which is again the similar shape and pattern of the earring, and you just can wear this mang tika like this, and yeah, you're good to go. Now the quality of these are not up to the level, like the great quality, but yeah, they are wearable and they're okay. Then I got this home decor item, and this is something like this, like you do get this topi kind of stuff to put on top, and this is like a basic thing. But one thing was, like, it was supposed to be a round or a spherical shape, or like a circular shape, but it was not. It was like as if it was bent from somewhere, and like someone sat on it, I don't know what, but yeah, it's like defected kind of piece. But yeah, I got it anyways. And you do get to put at the bottom, you get a big diya. I'm already using for my diya, because I did not want to use diya inside it, because it would get dark and then black, and that's something I don't want. So that's why I put some fairy lights inside, and then I'll show you guys how it looks once it's lit. Once lit, this is how it looks like. I don't know how much you guys can see, but yeah, that's how it is. I'll do show you guys a close-up as well, but yeah, this is how it looks like. A very beautiful lighting stuff for Diwali, because especially Diwali is coming, so that's why I got this. Just use my coupon code to get some more discount on your order, and yeah, make sure that you click on that link that is in the description box to get 250 to 60 rupees coupon code instantly on your account. So make sure that you use that link that is in the description box below. So that was all about the Club Factory Diwali sale unbeaten price haul, and I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, wherever you are, even on Instagram, please. And yeah, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel as well for more fun videos of DIY coming super soon, and turn that notification bell button on just in case you haven't done it yet, so that you guys get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And now I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.